Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss how to create a sales return in Splendid Accounts. We'll click on sales, then click on return, and then click on add sales return. Here you will select the customer for whom you want to create the return. Select the product you want to return from the customer. You can also select multiple products. If any tax was applied, you can add that too. Any discount you gave can also be applied here. And that customer's invoice, well, one thing is that when you are creating a return for a customer, is it also the case that you need to refund the payment? If you are refunding the payment to the customer on the spot, you get the option to select a cash or bank account here. As soon as you select it here, enter the net amount, save and approve. Your inventory will increase from this customer, meaning your inventory will increase, the payment will be refunded to this customer, and this return will also be settled with their refund, meaning there will be no balance left in their ledger either. Well, there was no balance in the ledger anyway, because when you created the invoice, you had already received the payment from the customer. So now when the customer returned the product to you, you refunded them and this got settled with that. Now I will simply click here and this return entry will be approved. A refund will be created in the customer's name. It will be settled with that and its status will also change to allocated. As I can show you here, the customer refund entry is appearing below. There are some cases where a customer had taken a credit invoice from me and is returning it later, but they hadn't made the payment. So I will adjust it from their ledger against their invoice. So within returns, you will click on add sales return, select that customer and select the product they are returning here. Below, the customer's credit invoices will be visible to you. Check the invoice you want to settle it against and approve it. So this will be approved. Now besides this, we also have an option in Splendid that if a customer has an invoice with many products and you need to return the entire invoice, instead of going to returns and selecting products one by one, you can simply filter that customer's invoice, open it, and right here at the bottom you get a create return option. As soon as you click on this, the entire invoice will be converted into a return form and all the products will appear selected here. You can simply settle it against the invoice, or if you want to refund, you can select the account here, enter the payment and approve it. For example, I am settling it against the invoice. This return has been approved. So we refunded the item returned by the customer on the spot. We also settled it from the customer's ledger. Since it was a credit invoice and the customer returned the item, I settled it against their invoice. Their ledger balance was reduced. And another case is if I had a customer invoice with a large number of products, instead of selecting them one by one, how can I create a bulk return for that entire invoice? We can do that by going inside the invoice. Thank you.